In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book hotels with Klarna and pay over time. We'll walk through two simple ways to do it so you can lock in your stay now and spread the cost responsibly. First, the most straightforward option is to use Klarna right at checkout on major travel sites. Start by browsing a site like booking.com, hotels.com, or Expedia and add your hotel to the cart as you normally would. When you reach the payment page, look for Klarna among the payment methods. If it's available, select it and you'll see choices like splitting the cost into 4 interest-free payments or selecting a longer financing plan if you prefer more time. Klarna typically gives a quick decision and your reservation is confirmed just as if you'd paid in full. You'll then make your installments on a schedule shown during checkout. Keep an eye on those due dates. Turning on Klarna reminders can help. A quick tip. Double check that the total includes taxes and fees, and remember that hotels may place a separate hold at check-in for incidentals, which is separate from your Klarna plan. Also, refundable versus non-refundable bookings follow the hotel's policy, so review that before you commit. If the hotel's website doesn't show Klarna at checkout, the second option is to use a one-time virtual card from the Klarna app. Open the app, create a card for the exact amount of your hotel stay, and make sure you include taxes, resort fees, and any other mandatory charges so the card covers the full total. This card works like a standard card number you can copy and paste into the hotel's checkout page. Use it right away because these cards usually have a short validity window. Once the payment goes through, Klarna sets up your installment plan just like in the first option. A couple of helpful notes here. Confirm the hotel accepts the card type your virtual card represents, and remember that some properties still ask for a physical card at check-in for incidentals, so bring one you control. If the booking changes or gets cancelled, Klarna will follow the merchant's policy, so keep your confirmation and any cancellation emails. That's it. Either pay with Klarna directly on supported travel sites or generate a one-time virtual card in the app for sites that don't offer Klarna. Both paths let you secure your room today and pay over time with clear schedules and no surprises. Choose the option that fits your booking and enjoy your trip while keeping your budget on track.